Good morning students, welcome to our today's online session. Hope all are fine. In our previous class we learned the first article or the first essay from the chapter Glimpses of India. Today we are going to learn the second article or the second essay from the same chapter Glimpses of India in our textbook First Flight, and the chapter is Coorg. It's a beautiful essay in which the author is talking about the place, the small district of Karnataka, Coorg. It's talking about Coorg, a small district of Karnataka. In this article, the author is giving us a vivid description of the climate of Coorg, the aroma of Coorg actually, the fauna and flora of Coorg, and he gives the details of the people of Coorg, their physical appearance of these people, their bravery of these people, the attire of their people, and he is giving a wide vivid description about the nature of Coorg itself. What all types of birds and animal you will find in Coorg, what all types of plants, that is what I said, flora, plants you will find in Coorg, and even he is talking about the freshwater fish that you find in Coorg, and he is giving us a detailed description of the river Kaveri and the water adventures that a tourist who visit Coorg will get from Coorg. Now look at your text. We can discuss the details from the text. The essay begins with the author describing Coorg as a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God, and he is telling that this land of rolling hills is inhabited by proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. After that, in the next paragraph, he is giving a wild, vivid description of the rainforest, spices and coffee plantations that we will see in Coorg. And he is telling that during monsoon season it will be raining heavily, so there won't be any tourists at that time. And the tourist season of Coorg begins with September and it continues till next March. And the weather is perfect with some showers thrown in good measure. Then he is talking about the aroma. So he is telling that the air will be filled with the smell of invigorating coffee. So coffee estate and colonial bungalows also you will be able to see. Then the author tells us that the people in Coorg, these independent people of Coorg, they are the descendants from Arabian, the Greek or Arabic descendants. And as one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled in Coorg when they couldn't return back to their place, original place, England. The people, then these people married amongst the locals and their culture. That's why the culture of these Coorgian people, it is entirely different. Their martial tradition, marriage, religious rites, all these are entirely different from Hindu mainstream. And the theory of Arab origins draws support from the long black coat with an embroidery waist belt worn by the Kodwas, known as Kupya. Then our author is telling that the dress that they are wearing, this long black coat with embroidered waist belt worn by Kodavus. Kodavus means the people of this Coorg. These people, their dress is called Kupya. Kupya is also, it also shows that they are the descendants of these Arabian peoples. And this name itself, Kupya itself resembles Kufya, worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So the name, the dress itself has some resemblance with the dress worn by Arabians. So he is trying to picture the resemblance of these people with the Arabs. Then the author tells us that this Kodavus, these Coorgian people, they are very courageous and brave, and he is telling that the Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of Indian army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. So he is trying to give examples to show that how brave and how courageous these people are. And again he is telling that now also only these Kodavus are the people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without license. So it also shows that they are so courageous, they are so brave. Then the author describes the nature, the beautiful nature of Coorg, the river Kaveri. He is telling that the river Kaveri is getting its pure water from the hills and forest of Coorgs. Then he is talking about Mahasir, freshwater fish that you'll find in this Kaveri. Then he is discussing about kingfishers. Then there's mischievous langurs that you will find in the forest of Coorg, and he is talking about each and every squirrels, each and every animal that you will find in this Coorg. In the next paragraph, he is discussing with us about this high energy adventures that you will enjoy. The tourists can enjoy in the river Kaveri, like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking. All these things can be done, can be enjoyed in Coorg. And he is telling that numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers too. For trekking also there are beautiful, nice, adventurous places. Then he is talking about the birds, bees, beautiful butterflies, Malabar squirrels, langurs, everything that whatever you see in Coorg will catch your attention. After giving all these descriptions about the nature, the scenic beauty of Coorg, he is telling us about the Brahmagiri hills, and he is telling that if you are lucky enough, you are fortunate enough, you will be able to see monks in red ochre and yellow robes amongst other people. So these are the things that our author is discussing with us. First he is talking about the climate of Coorg, about the monsoon of Coorg. Then he is telling us about this coffee estates, rainforest that we will see in Coorg. Then he is talking about the Kodavus and their relation with the Arabs. Even their dress, kupia, is evident for their relation with these Arabs. Then he is talking about the brave, courageous Kodavus, and he is telling that the General Karyappa, the first chief of Indian army, was also a Coorgi. And he is talking about the nature, the animals and birds, that even fishes that you will find special in Coorg. And he is talking about the water adventures, hill trekkings, all these things that tourists can enjoy in Coorg. So this is what is there in our essay Coorg. Read the text, a very simple essay. Read the text, download the notes and attend the test today itself. Take care. Bye bye.